Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix location is not available, C drive, /Windows, /System32, /config, /System profile, /desktop here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to search for File Explorer. Okay, so once you have typed that, click on Open to continue. And here you need to go with your local disk, which is under this PC. Just simply click on it, okay? And here you need to go with Windows. Simply click on it. And here under the Windows, you need to scroll down and look for System32. There you have that. Just have to double tap that to proceed. And here you need to go with config, okay? And look for system profile, double tap that. And here you need to create a desktop. How we can do that, just have to do a right click here and go with new and select folder. And here you need to name that desktop. Click enter. The moment you have created it, just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.